Pork is the most consumed protein in the world, accounting for 36% of the meat consumed around the world. In 2019, the U.S. produced 129.9 million commercial hogs, or 27.7 billion pounds of pork. As the pork industry continues to grow to meet the increased supply and demand, how do those involved in the production, processing, and consumption of pork manage their risk? While the Lean Hog Index reflects the prices paid for live hogs in the U.S., the Pork Cutout reflects values further down the supply chain in the form of pork cuts. A cutout is the approximate value of a hog, calculated using the prices paid for wholesale pork cuts. There are 6 main primal cuts of pork: the loin, butt or shoulder, picnic, rib, ham, and belly. Hog producer agreements with packers and processors are diverse and have changed over time. Historically, these agreements were primarily placed off negotiated cash hog values. However, greater attention is being placed on values down the supply chain, particularly with the pork carcass cutout. Today, some hog values remain primarily based off cash hog markets. Some are based primarily off the cutout, and others are a hybrid of the two and/or other factors. In response to the shifting needs of the industry, CME is launching Pork Cutout Futures and Options. Pork Cutout Futures and Options will provide a risk management tool, enabling producers and end users of pork to hedge effectively and tailor their risk management strategy to their risk profile. From producers, meat packers, wholesale and food service companies to retailers, Pork Cutout Futures and Options will allow market participants to make further purchase and sales decisions confidently. Pork Cutout Futures and Options can be traded on CME Globex or through block trades on Clearport. Margin offsets will be available for trading between other CME Group livestock products. The futures are financially settled to the CME Pork Cutout Index, which is a 5-day weighted average of pork carcass values, quoted in cents per pound, or dollars per hundredweight. The current index price and historical data file is available on cmegroup.com. CME Group provides a transparent, regulated trading environment and centralized clearing through CME Clearing. No matter what your role in the pork industry, Pork Cutout Futures and Options can help your risk management needs.